I got a pack of the Gurkha Remingtons some time ago. These are really good. Alright, so just got the mail. Looks like my package from Canada, that's BBBarfly, is here. Another A.G. Russell catalog, which I'll actually read. I don't know why they keep sending me this stuff. I'm not into whatever that is. Anyway. The reason I even get the A.G. Russell catalog, I have a collection of books about custom knife makers and art and design in the knife world. Some of those I bought from the A.G. Russell website, so they send me the catalog now, I guess. Alright, so here's the Barfly. This is the Firefly. It was on sale or discounted on the website for some reason. So I've got the rubber keychain, which is unfortunate. I mean, it's cool that it just comes with it for free, but I really don't like the rubber patches or stuff. Business card. Actually, I did have an OG Barfly years ago. Sticker, that's cool. 2 packs of extra hardware, that's awesome. And what do we have here? Ooh. Oh, okay, I see what they meant when they said that this was a chunky boy. It's, this thing is a handful. Like, before I thought that the Titus felt a little chunky, but like I could bust out the calipers and give you an actual measurement, but the handles on the Firefly are significantly larger than the Titus. The balance on this is good though. Oh, okay. Well, oh, okay. So I've never actually seen anyone say this. Okay, that needs cleaned. What in the fuck happened in there? Maybe that's why it's discounted. So on the inside of the channel, you probably can't see this on this shitty camera. It reads, Model BB Firefly, made in Canada by BBBarfly Inc. Same thing on the other side. Now, it's not bad. Like, there's a tiny little bit of marring inside the channel, but that's far away from where I would ever touch it, and it's not a problem. It feels a little dry. Yeah, this does not have any lubricant. Where's my KPL? Here it is. So I use the thinnest lubricant that I can get normally. I'm not a fan of heavy oil in my balisongs, or anything for that matter. I don't use, like, I'll use appropriately weighted lubricant for my car and for my firearms. For everything else, something really thin. That's weird. Still feels a little dry. I'm sure it'll work in. These handles are significantly larger than I thought they would be. This is definitely a hell of a step up from the OG Barfly I had years ago. This is a chunky boy. Oh, so it does have a bite handle indicator that, yeah, you can feel it. It's not painful, which I don't believe that's necessary. I've leaked out literal gallons worth of blood throughout my life just from ballast songs alone. I don't need something overtly painful to teach me not to mess up the move. Just some kind of indication that you're doing it improperly is nice. So this should be the Firefly 2.0. It's got a lot of two-tone stuff to it. Don't get me. I kind of liked the V1 a little more, at least for aesthetic reasons. This is not this is not a slippery knife, but it's not incredibly grippy. It doesn't have any more texture than the Tsunami, but the Tsunami is heavier. So if your hands are really clean and the knife is really dry, it can be a little bit slippery. This knife has about the same amount of grip, but it's lighter, so there's less slippage. It has the, let's see, I do not believe, actually, so I'd need to look into exactly how BBBarfly does what they do. I guess I'll figure out whether or not they answer their emails or not. Most people don't. I have not gotten Machine-Wise or what's the other one? Or damn it, there. Who the hell did I sent out emails to quite a few people who make ballast songs looking for one. I haven't gotten a response from most of them, but what was it? So maybe I can get in touch with them. I'm not sure. This does not look like anodized aluminum. This looks like it's coated. So this may be some kind of Cerakote, Duracoat, most likely some kind of baked on liquid ceramic, which is actually kind of a shame because I really like properly anodized aluminum. I find the texture on a good piece of aluminum that's been anodized properly, I find that texture very appealing. Back in the day, I had a Microtech Halo 5, and the texture on it was just a bare, smooth handle, just like this, but it had the most beautiful texture to it. It just felt so nice, which is, that's saying something. Aluminum is not the most luxurious material. This does not feel like that. It does not feel bad. It's just not. It doesn't feel like mil-spec anodized aluminum, so it's probably coated. Again, I'm guessing some kind of liquid ceramic. Okay, the balance on this thing is shockingly good. If you like old school moves, if you're a rollover kind of guy, you are really gonna like this. I think I'll get the Firefly next, just so I have that flavor. I'm not sure if this is still happening, but if you do not have a Barfly, or if you just don't have a Firefly, BBBarfly has these. I think these are normally like $130, $140, something like that. They had these on clearance for about $89. I'm not sure why. I hope they're not phasing out the Firefly as a model, though. I hope not. I like the tang pins. These tang pins are done very well. I like the size and the heft of this knife. Really like it. So I hope that the V2 is not on clearance because they're planning on getting rid of it. But well, maybe this is a second. The only thing on here that's not spectacular is it's a little bit messed up inside the channel here, where they milled in the brand information. Let's see, is that dust or is that... Oh, okay. Oh, damn it, where's my compressed air? Maybe I can get... Oh. So, okay, maybe that's just crap in there, actually. Huh. Actually, here's a good use for this. I got some of those KPL micro swabs. Let's see here. So I'm pretty sure that's just some crap that's collected in there. Yep. So it's bits of aluminum have combined with some oil left over from the machining process. So no, I was incorrect. There was no mistake made when doesn't appear that they fucked up the milling of this channel in any way. It's just a tiny bit dirty. So that's good. So this is not a second. I don't know why they were on clearance, but I'm happy I bought that one. And the two sets of replacement hardware. This is great. Okay, each set comes with two. So I have 2 pivots and 4 sets of bushings, 2 sets of, god damn, those are thick washers. What is the, those are thick. Jesus. So, for $89, holy shit. And oh, okay, never mind. That's why. I did buy, I got mine for like $109 because I got like $15 worth of extra. I did get extra hardware. Like, it was a little checkbox, like, you want to add more hardware for $10, $12? Sure. Sure thing, I will. Sounds good. God damn it. Oh. Does not like the reverse fan. Or maybe I'm just not up to it yet. Huh. I like this. Pivots loose? No. By the way, out of the box, 0 play, 0 binding. No rattle, no tap, no wiggle. Like this is a company, these people make novelty bottle openers. This, out of the box, this beats products I've gotten from much, you know, companies who should know better than to fuck up basic shit like this, but who for some reason don't. But this is impressive. I like this thing. It's not that dissimilar from the Titus. The Titus is a little narrower and a little bit faster. Oh, damn it. I gotta see how much this bitch weighs. Crap. Hang on, maybe I can get that in here. Where are we? Ah. Almost out of time. Come on. How much do you weigh? 4.46. For a solid aluminum knife. 4.45. That is great. More than 4.5 ounces. I am impressed. Yeah, so I like this thing. Definitely worth the money.